My name is Bezouska. I work for Vienna Insurance Group, Cooperativa, and it's a large insurance company spanning the whole Europe. My job title is network engineer, network security engineer. Yeah, we're using mainly for .1x authentication, and we're also authenticate our VPN users, RA VPN users, and we're doing some light profiling and posture. So we're trying to solve the problem where different users trying to have different privileges in the network, and also we're trying to block some access from our least privileged users. So that's the kind of main use case for us. The most valuable thing in ISE is the adoption of Deep that came in 2.7, so we can do authentication based on user and machine certificates in one authentication. It has improved our organization very much because we're now adapting the SGTs, that's security group tags, and we're leveraging security based on those tags on our core systems, so and integrating with other SG firewalls. It's been pretty good so far. We've been authenticating all of our users, no matter where they're coming from, if it's from RA VPNs, if it's like wireless access. We're all Cisco, so the integrations are pretty good. Yeah, I'd say very important. Like right now, with the challenges that the multi-cloud environment poses, you have to have some solution like this. I'd say no. It's been a challenge to implement this, so it's like we're trying to bridge the gap between the security guys and network guys. They're not the same teams, so sometimes security guys do also networking, but it can be hard to cooperate on projects like this. This is a big project. ISE is a pretty big solution, and security guys are sometimes lost in what's going on in the network, like equipment, where you have to configure things. I think pretty much it's the most resilient solution as of right now. Well, we have pretty distributed network, and we have only one deployment, so one ISE deployment, and it's been really good so far with managing all of those sites. Applications, not so much. I'm trying to I'll have another session with the tech engineer on Friday, and I will have to discuss some basic concepts of securing the application with ISE, because I find it very challenging to do some micro-segmentation with it. I'm staying on top of it and doing it macro, but I want to go micro, and that's something I need to discuss more with some engineer. I think the menus could have been much simpler. There are many redundant things. That's a problem of all Cisco solutions. There are too many menus and redundant things on all of them. So this is a problem in ISE for as far as I can tell. This could be much simpler. I wasn't in the process involved that choosing this particular technology, but the colleagues that have made the decision, they made it 7 or 8 years ago. We're using ISE for a long time. I've been in the company for 4 years now, so I've pretty much came into already deployed solution, but it wasn't so good, so we have to migrate from like physical appliances to virtual ones because they were end of life and end of support. We are more secure thanks to ISE, so that's always a return of investment. We have on-prem virtual appliances in distributed model. Specific version is 3.1, update 3, I guess, so the latest. I have to find my own way to like make the new deployment. It wasn't that there is some documentation about how to migrate. There is none of this stuff on Cisco's site, so you have to search Reddit and multiple forums to assess what you can do with the deployment, and I basically build it from scratch. I have had some problem lately with the tech engineers unable to investigate in the logs that I gave. They always ask for more, but there is not much you can do on ISE when you give out all the debugs from the nodes. Then there is nothing else to do. So it's been a bit of a ping pong with the tech engineers. Sometimes I have like 4 to 5 tech cases open right now, specifically on ISE, and most of the problems I have is with the integrations of other companies' firewalls, so that's fair enough. This year I would give them a 6. Before I would say 8. Actually, sometimes they push an update that breaks the whole deployment. Now it happened to me with the update 2. It was my fault. I've updated right after it came out, and I won't ever do that again. I will wait at least a month or 2 or 3 because it was taken down. The update was taken down a week later. I was lucky enough because I've updated from update 1 to update 2, so it didn't really break the whole deployment, just parts of it, but they fixed it like in a week with update 3, so I was able to put it back together, and rollback is also always an option. Scalability is really good. The number of possible nodes in deployment is high. I don't know the exact number, but it's really high. So scalability is not a problem. I like this solution a lot, so I'd say 9.